What if you could turn a single image, even a rough sketch, into a fully detailed 3D model in less than 5 minutes, absolutely free? Well, HunYuan 3D 2.5 just made that dream a reality, and it's blowing the minds of artists and game designers everywhere. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how HunYuan 3D 2.5 works, walk you through its crazy new features, and give you a real look at just how mind-blowingly good its models are. Whether you're into animation, gaming, or just want to impress your friends with some digital art wizardry, trust me, you'll want to stick around to see what this AI can do. Here's the thing. 3D modeling takes ages to learn. Between sculpting, texturing, rigging, and rendering, it's a jungle out there for beginners and even pros. Most free AI tools spit out blurry meshes or miss critical details, and the good paid ones, they're locked behind massive paywalls or complex installs. But HunYuan 3D 2.5 just flipped the script. Let's dive in. First off, access is a breeze. Just head over to the HunYuan 3D online platform. Don't worry if you don't have a WeChat or QQ account. You can sign up with just your email. Enter your email, hit the verification button, pop in the code, and you're in. If you're not fluent in Chinese, just right-click and translate the page using Chrome. Now let's make some magic. You've got two main options up top. Text to 3D. Just type in what you want. Cyberpunk robot, Gothic castle, you name it. Image to 3D. Upload a photo, a drawing, even a concept sketch. If you want maximum detail, you can upload multiple angles: front, back, left, and right. Let's make this real. I'll show you exactly what HunYuan 3D 2.5 can do with 3 totally different inputs: a simple object, a character photo, and a pure text prompt. Let's start simple. A pencil. I'm uploading a quick photo of a classic yellow pencil, nothing fancy, just the kind you'd find at any desk. I drop the pic in, select version 2.5, turn on PBR for those shiny metal and wood details, and hit generate. Look at this. The model nails the wood grain, even wraps the metal ferrule with proper reflections, and you can spin it around to see the eraser and sharpened tip. Imagine using this in a virtual classroom or as a prop for your next design project made in minutes, not hours. Now for a bigger challenge, a character, I'll upload a photo of a man, normal clothes, short hair, standing pose. Again, just one angle to keep things easy. Check this out. The 3D model not only captures the facial features and posture, but also invents details you never provided, like the back of the shirt and even folds in the pants. You can rotate, zoom, view wireframes, and get this, it's already rigged for simple animations. Export it to your game engine or animation software in seconds. But maybe you've got no image, just an idea. Let's test text to 3D. I'll type, a crystal dragon statue on a marble base glowing with blue light. Look at that. HunYuan generates a stylized dragon, semi-transparent, perched on a marble stand, with blue highlights shimmering across its surface. 4 angles are created, and the details are wild. Scales, horns, the glint of crystal, all from one line of text. You'd need hours to sculpt this by hand. Want a different style? Pick from industrial, cartoon, cyberpunk, marble, you name it. HunYuan will take a minute or two, but the wait is absolutely worth it. The 3D models look very similar to the original image, almost identical. Rotated around, the AI even invents what the back would look like, no reference needed. The details, insanely crisp. The textures, on point. There's an option to see the white mold, check the normal maps, and even tweak lighting in real-time spotlights, colors, shadows, all with just a few clicks. Need rigging? Version 2.5 now auto-generates simple rigs and even basic walk or jump animations ready for Mixamo, a game changer. And the best part, you get 20 free generations per day. That's more than enough for most hobbyists and even small studios. Let's talk quality. Whether it's weapons, characters, or creatures, HunYuan's models are sharper, better separated, and just plain more usable than many AI tools around. No more blobby meshes or missing details. So is HunYuan 3D 2.5 perfect? Not quite. Once in a while you'll see a weird face or an odd texture, especially with tricky input images. But for a free browser-based AI, it's absolutely the new gold standard for instant 3D model creation. If you've been frustrated by clunky 3D tools or hit-and-miss AI results, you owe it to yourself to try this. Give HunYuan 3D 2.5 a spin, and let me know your craziest result in the comments. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to AI with TechSnap for more AI tool breakdowns.